Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's see how does a pressure transmitter work. So this is a pressure line in which water is flowing and it has got 0 to 100 psi value, which reminds me 100 psi 6.9 bar से 0 to 7 bar इसकी वैल्यू है. इधर प्रेशर आता है 0 to 7 bar. So this is a pressure transducer fitted and electrical signal is generated. So this pressure is converted to electrical signal. Then this pressure transmitter, this body buff converts into standardized electrical signal, standardized, that is 4 to 20 milliamps. When I was discussing temperature transmitter, you had understood very well what I mean by 420 milliamps, why it is needed. But यहाँ पर same pressure transmitter is also doing the same thing. So this is a 4 to 20 milliamp signal coming. So now over here, say I put a valve over here. To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं, and for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship, अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो M&D Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos, watch these videos as per rank, and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. There is a valve and water is coming from over here. Copy it guys, water is coming from over here. And this valve is operated by air. Say I say कि भैया in any case, so this is 0 to 7 bar pressure यहाँ पे. I say I have to maintain a 5 bar pressure over here. How much? 5 bar. I don't want more than 5 bar. Copy it guys. So what happens is, say the pressure is 7 bar. Right now the pressure is 7 bar. So 7 bar means this is the maximum value, 0 to 100 psi. If the pressure transmitter is calibrated at 0 to 100 psi as 4 to 20 milliamps बराबर, that means अगर 0 बार है तो 4 milliamps, 100 psi that is 7 बार है तो 20 milliamps. See, it is calibrated like this. So right now the current that it will show over here will be कितना, 20 milliamps. Oh, 20 milliamps PLC. Oh, that means pressure is 7 bar. But I have set point, I have to maintain a pressure of 5 bar. Oh God, there is error of 2 bar. Let me send a output current signal. So a current signal comes 4 to 20 milliamps के form में because of the error of 2 bars over here. Copy it. This goes to a IP converter. Over here a 1.4 bar air is waiting, which I have discussed. Because of the current magnitude over here, a air signal goes and act on the wall, which is from the range of 0.2 to 1 bar. And what will it go? It will shut the wall. So the wall which was 100% open maybe will become 80% open now. And suddenly you will see the pressure which was 7 bar has now become 6 bar. The milliamps which was 20 milliamps has now become 18 milliamps. Just example. It's array now it is 6 bar. Right now value. So now the error is 1 bar. Say okay, reduce the current value. He said reduce the current value. Okay, reduce the output pressure. So now he said okay, no worries, let me further close the valve to 60% open. The moment I make the pressure valve 60% open, pressure reduces to 5 bar. This becomes 14 milliamps. It says this is also 5 bar. Very good. Current signal goes, no need to change. Let us keep it same, 60% open. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di, and the pressure is maintained 5 bar over here. So guys, this is the memory PLC controller. This is your pressure transmitter fitted, and this is your valve working over here. In another case, I say to this pressure transmitter, bhai, if say the pressure over here has to be between 0 to 100 psi, say 7 bar is the maximum. I say if this pressure become less than 3 bar, give an alarm. So till the time it is 7 bar, it is sending 7 bar, 7 bar, 7 bar, 6 bar, current signal reducing, say 18 milliamps, 14 milliamps, 6 bar, 6 bar, then 12 milliamps, when 5 bar, 4 bar, when it becomes 3 bar, the current signal becomes say 6 milliamps and it is showing 3 bar over here. Then also no problem. But now say the pressure becomes 2.9 bar over here. Milliamps over here is showing say 5 milliamps. This 5 milliamps reads 2.9 bar over here. So now PLC says, Bhaiya, I have to give an alarm at 3 bar, but the pressure is 2.9 bar. Okay, but there is a time delay of 3 seconds. So if pressure is maintained at 2.9 bar for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, I will give an alarm. Alarm coming. Copied, guys? So this is how your automation with pressure transmitter work. Understood? So now let us go ahead. This is your pressure transmitter. Can you see over here? So now in this pressure transmitter, you will see a very good thing, and that is this is your range 0 to 250 millibar. That means 10 to the power minus 3 bar. This is the range. That means 0 to 0.25 bar. Bhai, very slow. 0 to 0.2.5 bar. 4 to 20 milliamps. That means when 0 bar, the current coming from over here will be 4 milliamps. And when this pressure is reading 0.25 bar, 0.25 bar maximum, then the output current will be 20 milliamps over here. Copied, guys? समझ में आया? On the other hand, can you see over here? I do not know whether it is visible. Over here, the range is given 0 to 2.5 bar. So when the pressure acting over is 0 bar, the current will be 4 milliamps. When the pressure acting over here will be 2.5 bar, then the current output will be 20 milliamps, and in between the whole range is there. So this is what you have to see. When you order a pressure transmitter, you have to see what is the range, what is the output value, whether you want in milliamps, sometimes it can be in millivolts as well. So that is what you have to see. The company is important, the type of pressure transmitter is important, but most important thing is range, range, range. Say this is the range of 0 to 2.5 bar. So you will put it in a pipeline where the pressure can go maximum up to 2.5 bar, right? Right? But suppose you put it in a place where the pressure can go up to 5 bar, this won't work because its maximum range is 2.5 bar. इसकी औकात से बाहर जाने की बात कर रहे हैं. That is why. Copied, guys? Let's move ahead. So now let us discuss what kind of pressure transmitters can be there. One is piezoelectric type. So this is a piezoelectric material fitted inside. If you have not watched the video on piezoelectric sensor, please watch it. So it can be quads over here. The pressure is acting say from one end. This is a fixed plate. What will happen? This force will put a pressure on the piezoelectric material and a certain voltage will come out. This output voltage is then converted into current signal, standardized instrumentation current signal of 420 milliamps, and you will get an answer, right? Another thing that you can do is, say you have got a strain gauge. This is your strain gauge. Because of the strain putting, your resistance is changing, right? When your resistance changes, this gets unbalanced, right? And again you get a current. So suppose you have put this strain sensor in the pressure transmitter over there. Because of this strain, the length of the resistance has changed. The length of resistance, it was normal, a balanced Wheatstone bridge over here, when it was normal like this over here. But when the length has changed because of the strain over here. So now, earlier it was like this. It was a balanced Wheatstone bridge. Now when we have put strain, due to which what has happened? Resistance has changed. It has become unbalanced. So measuring this current will also give us a signal, bhaiya kitna pressure hai, how much is the pressure acting. Copied, guys? Another is capacitive type. Simple. Say this is a fixed plate and this is a moving plate. If the pressure is acting from here, the distance is going to decrease. If the distance decreases, C is equal to epsilon naught AK by D. If the D decreases, your capacitance increases. Your capacitance changes over here. This becomes a unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. The current signal comes, we amplify, and from that current signal we get an idea, acha bhai, what is happening. So when it comes to pressure transmitter, you have to understand that you have to first watch the temperature transmitter thing completely, because it is going to give an idea. If you have missed out, you're straight away watching the hi-fi things, you have not watched the sensor part, transducer part, then you're making a big mistake. Please watch that, because that is only going to give a very good answer when I'm talking about how does a piezoelectric sensor work, transducer works, how does a strain transducer works, or strain gauge works, how does a capacitive transducer works. So I'm keeping it fast, but you have to watch those videos so that you can get an idea what I'm talking about. So once again repeating, even over here, if there is a force applied, that is pressure applied, pressure into area is force, this piezoelectric material will generate voltage, we convert in standardized instrumentation signal, and we get an answer ki bhaiya how much is the pressure. Out here, in case of strain gauge, this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, strain acts, the shape changes, resistance changes, because R is equal to rho L by A, the length has changed, the area is changed, it becomes an unbalanced Wheatstone bridge, due to which the current starts flowing over here, and when you measure this current, Jai Mata Di. Again, this current can be converted into instrumentation, standardized instrumentation signal of 420 milliamps, and then we get an answer. Similarly over here, this is V, this C is equal to epsilon naught A K by D. Again I am putting it over here, A K by D, where D is the distance between two plates, A is the area of the plate, and K is the dielectric constant in between. Now when the pressure is acting, say from over here, this is a fixed plate, this distance D is gonna decrease. When this gonna decrease, your C is gonna increase. When your C changes over here, this C is over here, what will happen? This was a balanced Wheatstone bridge where C1 upon C2 is equal to C2 upon, where C1 upon C2 is equal to C sans upon C3. This becomes unbalanced because these capacitance changes. Then you measure this current, amplify it into instrumentation, standardized instrumentation signal, and then you get an answer. Copied guys? आगे बढ़ते हैं. With this, the end of this video. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.